Yo, man, we're Nation back with another video, and this video is going to be 100K in blind pro packs. Well, it's gonna be different. I'm not gonna be fast forwarding or nothing. I'm just gonna spam open the packs, but I'm gonna turn the volume all the way down so I don't hear anything. And well, I mean, I'm gonna have music playing, but it's not really gonna like. It's not really gonna matter because you won't be able to hear it. So basically, for everybody, we won't be able to hear anything, and basically, I'm just gonna open 100K blind pro packs. I mean, that's all there is to say about it, pretty much. So, hold on. Let me just post this play. I just did the BCA live event thing. It was for what was it? Yeah, Legacy. My bad. Yeah, I'm a. Never mind. No music. I guess better for me. I guess my music just went off or whatever. I don't really care. But we're gonna go ahead and open up 100K worth of pro packs without hearing any sound. Well, obviously you guys will see it. I'm sorry. I feel dumb for what I said earlier, but I won't. I'm just gonna spam open them. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but yeah, you get the gist. I'm not gonna see it at all because I'm gonna cover it up. All I'm gonna see is the uh the money button. That's it. So I'm gonna start now. Oh shoot, let me turn it down. I'm tripping. Alright, I'm gonna start now. Okay, so it looks like that's it. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry I took so long. I was cooking pancakes and didn't check them. But we're gonna. Alright, we're back. So, I didn't see anything. I promise. I mean, my hand slipped a little bit and I seen the update team, but I didn't see the card, so I don't know if it was a good or elite, but sorry, I had to run back to the room. I was cooking a pancake and forgot about it. We're gonna go to my bench and see what I pulled. Hopefully I pulled a legend, because that would be awesome. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Antonio Brown punt returner. I honestly did not expect to pull that. He goes for, I don't know, but that's crazy. Wow. Got Jason Kelsey, Jason Verrett, Justin Fowler, Golden Tate, David Harris. Wow. Alright, yeah, let's see the collectibles. If we got any collectibles. It looks like we got 2 BCA collectibles. That's not bad. Alright, well, that was it for this one. I mean, that was pretty solid. I mean, I got an 80. I'm at 70 kicker. That's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and peace.